Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a caterpillar, so let's get started. To draw this cute caterpillar, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide, so about right here, and draw another circle. There. So my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's go ahead and draw a small little curve right in between the eyes for a little nose, and then a big smile right underneath. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a big curve going slightly upwards and then cap it off. There. And then let's go above each eye and just draw a soft curve. Then from there we need to draw the head shape. So I am going to, let's see here. Let's come to the top of the eye. I'm going to come out and give myself a point. Same thing here. And then we're going to basically, let's see here, just come down slightly at an angle. And we're going to round it off for some cheeks. And I'm going to bring it down to about, let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And draw a curve towards my point, and same thing here. There. Come back in and fix my curve. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and go bring this up. So we're going to still slant it a little bit and then go up nice and high, so about right here, and then we're going to bring it down. There. And then from there we need to go ahead and draw the antenna. So I'm going to find my center, which is about right here, and go to the left and go to the right. And then from there, we're just going to draw a small little antenna. Round this off, loop it in, and then come back in to thicken it up. So same thing over here. Loop it in and finish it off. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So the body it's all up to you how long you want to make your caterpillar. So you can add as many sections as you want, but we're going to come to the center of the eye and come down about right here. And I'm just going to draw this big first section. So it's just one big curve. Come down, and we're going to bring it right back up to about right here. And connect. There. So get one big loop. Then we're going to come right back into this area and start another loop. So we're just going to bring it down slowly. So right about here, and just connect it. Have fun with this. Caterpillars are always fun to draw, right? You can make these sections higher, lower, it's all up to you. And then one, now we're going to start to go horizontally. So we're going to come right about here and connect. There. And so then I'm going to go one, let's see here, another one. If you like, you can draw the tops first and then just connect it, or you can draw it the way I'm doing, section by section, but it might be easier actually. Okay, one here, so I know I got one, and I can go another one. Maybe that's easier, right? So another one here. And then another one. So then you can connect it. So just play around with it, see which way is easier for you. And then we're going to go smaller now. I'm just going to finish it off. So one, and then I'm going to add a little caterpillar tail, if there's such a thing. Just want to make it extra cute. So we have a little tiny piece right there. Okay, so then now that we have that is a basic shape for a caterpillar, we can go ahead and kind of put in like the tummy area and the back area if you like. Come right here, and we're just going to draw a curve just to separate the sections, and then bring it down, down, and then we're just going to go ahead, keep going across. And in. But if you want your caterpillar to be all one color, you definitely don't need to draw this. And then if you want to put in little legs, you can also come in here and just gonna put in tiny little ones just to make it extra cute. Here. And then let's see, I'm just gonna put them here. Just an indication of it for my legs. There's many ways you can do it, but I just thought it was just a little bit easier this way. So hopefully you like how that looks. And then I'm just gonna come back right here. Now I'm looking at my camera. I'm gonna make this part a little bit thicker so that my caterpillar isn't so, the head's a little bit wider. And then for the decorations, you can do whatever you like, but let's see here, maybe put in some spots right here at the top. There's just so many things you could do. And then maybe smaller circle, and then I'll make this one a heart. Can't wait to see your fan art and what you come up with. And let's see here. I'll just leave it like that for now. And hopefully that inspires you to draw your own caterpillar. And I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.